2, here, let's go back.
Hey, ARK fans, this is ARK Daily again in 5 minutes or less, February 18th edition. We try to bring you the latest and greatest information from ARK website as soon as possible. It takes a lot of manual work, so a like and subscribe would be very highly appreciated. Thank you so much on that. Now, going into the highlights, today looks like ARK bought a boatload of Palantir and ABBV. A lot of Palantir today, actually. We'll go into the details in a bit. And a lot of smaller buys as well, including NNDM that they keep on buying on daily basis, Tesla, more Bitcoin, and others. And in the decrease category or sold category, it's Splunk and Thermo Fisher Scientific. So stay tuned for more information and exact amount that they added. See you right after this.
Ready, set, let's go. It's gonna be a show. Don't act like you don't know.
Hey everybody, welcome back. This is ARK summary right now that we are looking at. Again, not a very good day for the market. ARK ETFs are down. Total value is down by 0.9% to 59.3 billion. Brutal day. A really red day, especially for companies like UAVs. UAVs, which is a drone company, not part of ARK at all, but UAV was hit by short seller research, going down. In my opinion, super strong company, and I have a stake in that. It's definitely something very innovative that they are doing. But anyways, getting back to ARK, down by 0.9%. Number of companies remain the same, and ETFs. So the position overall remains the same. ARK Innovation stays the maximum, followed by Genomics, followed by Next Generation Web, FinTech, Robotics, Sprint, and Israel. Ranking more or less remain the same of 264 companies, all the companies combined. Tesla is 6.2% of overall fund, whereas within innovation it is much more. Within innovation is 9%. So Tesla gaining a little bit in the overall weightage, even though the price went down further to 787. Looks like they bought some more of Tesla, and hence the position is maintained. And maybe the other companies went down, and hence that also gave Tesla weightage a lift. So that's summary. Let's go into the biggest moves quickly. I have the threshold of just 4% today here, because otherwise the very less companies would pop up. Now Palantir, look at that, 130% increase. Look at that trend on the right hand side, the above chart. That's a share count. We were surprised when they went from 2.4 to 4 million. Now think about, they almost doubled, not more than doubled their position in Palantir, showing huge confidence in Palantir. Looks like the price went down further and they bought the dip. And in an interview also, I saw Kathy was talking about Palantir CEO, how he was talking their language, ARK's language, in doubling down on investment and to get more and more progress, to get more scale, and make the company better and better in future. And hence looks like they're very bullish on this. Next is ABBV, that popped up yesterday and day before as well. This was a new company they invested. They keep on increasing their investment there. Added almost like 200,000 shares today, looks like, from 0.4 million to 0.6 million. These are all rolled up values, obviously. So I don't have exact numbers. I can get exact numbers, but at high level, they increased their position by 46%. Stock price went down just a little bit, but yeah, that's the ABBV Inc. Experience investment, 13% more. Signify Health is a new company they invested in as well, so a little bit more there, even though stock price did go down just a little bit though. Viva Systems is another one where they increased by quite a bit in past 2 days. Stock price went down today. Thermo Fisher and Splunk, those are the two companies that they are reducing their position in, looks like. Not so bullish anymore maybe. So that's that. Splunk has been popping up in past 2 days, I think. They've been reducing their position. Now that was with share count. So number of shares, biggest moves. Now dollars, biggest move. So dollars, biggest move. Palantir, again, they more than doubled their position, and hence the market value also increased, even though the stock price went down. Market value for ARK increased. Twilio is they sold the shares, but market price went up, so they took their profits. Look like. And 36.7 million there. Exact Sciences, market price slightly up from yesterday. Yesterday they bought the dip, and they keep on buying even more. 2U Inc., Tesla, went down, but they bought more shares. CRISPR went down and they sold shares. Baidu went down, but they bought more shares. Twist Biosciences down and less position there. Pacifica Biosciences again went down and less position, smaller position. Pacifica Biosciences, they have been reducing their position since some time now. Looks like it's in the has a downward trend there. Tencent Holding, they sold some shares, looks like just 2.3%, and the stock price is also down. Sometimes it very well could be that they are selling to buy something else. So selling from the safer, little bit from the safer ones to buy something else. Zillow Group going up, Amazon of real estate, but the stock price went down, share count going up. Stratus, the biggest hit is the stock price went down quite a bit, and the position went down yesterday, and today is kind of same or reduced a little bit too. So that's the biggest moves. Let me know if you want me to drill down into any other company as well. But let's take a look at any new companies. Yeah, looks like new company Palantir, but it has been added in past already. The reason why it's showing up as new is because it's been added to ARK Innovation Fund as well. Hence, out of that, more than doubling the share count, some of it has gone into ARK Innovation Fund. So let's take a look at some more quickly that we want to go over. Let's take a look at Palantir, P-A-L-A-N. Oops, P-A-L-A-N. Yeah, Palantir. Let's take a look at by ETFs. So yeah, look at this new position added in ARK. It was only in web in past. So 5.3 million added here. Hence, it's showing up as a new company, even though it's not a new company. Let's also take a look at how can we forget Nano Dimension. So let's add Nano Dimension here quickly. Take a look at it by ETF. Added more position, and a little bit more here as well in all the three ETFs. They've added a little bit more. Let's take a look at their Bitcoin fund, which is not fund, but Bitcoin stock. They buy Grayscale Bitcoin Trust because they are legally not allowed to buy Bitcoin. So this stock just follows Bitcoin price. So in this case, if you look at, they increase their position even more. So they keep on increasing the position in Bitcoin. Very, very bullish looks like. See, the slope of this line is extremely, extremely slant. Hence, they keep on buying. Now let's take a look at Tesla as well quickly. Tesla TSLA. Yeah, bought more in all the three ETFs that they are in. Innovation, next generation web, and robotics. All three of them, they bought some more. So yeah, very bullish on that too, looks like. So that's all for today, folks. Let me know if there is any other company that you would like to go deeper into. Thank you so much. This is a new channel, and a like and subscribe would be awesome. A shout out to all the people who have inspired me to do this. Thank you again. Until tomorrow, goodbye.